right, children. Today we are going to learn backward counting.
Look, children, this is number 10. After 10 comes 9, and then comes 8. This is called backward counting, counting in reverse.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
7, 6,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Mashallah, you all learned very well. Today we completed backward counting from 10 to 1.
We learned it! Yay!
Bravo, my children.
मज़ीद दिलचस्प और सबक आमोज़ कहानियों के लिए हमें फॉलो करें और हमारा YouTube चैनल सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें।